Hello ma'am, in this video we will see that how you can check the inquiries for last 30 days. So in your accounts module, you have an option of a filter. So when you go to filter, in the filters you need to select created date on last 30 days. It will show all the inquiries for last 30 days, and if you want to be specific queries which are under the inquiry stage, then you need to select the current category inquiry and click on apply. So now it will only show the inquiries which has been created in last 30 days. So this is how you can check the inquiries which have been created in last. Thank you.